Hey guys, these are 2000, 4000 and 3000, 5000 grade double-sided stones. Check the sharpness with the BESS test. Before use, soak them in water until the bubbles stop, about 5 minutes. High-grade stones are for refining an edge, not for fixing a very dull knife. When using high-grade, light pressure, fewer passes. Set your angle as usual. Start with the lower grade, then move to the higher grade. Make 5 to 10 passes per grade. Keep the pressure light. After sharpening, move to the leather strop. Shake well before use. Apply to both the smooth and rose sides. Test the sharpness again with the BESS test. Now, your knife is sharper. Clean the sharpening stones. Rub 2 stones together. Until the surfaces are clean. Then rinse with the clean water.